Oh, well, thanks. That was pointless. I hate you, Darnaby. What's going on, everybody? PotatoAim here, and welcome back to my channel, where we are diving back into Wizard with a Gun. So, look, I'm going to progress on this game if it kills me, alright? Like, this is just how it's going to happen. I'm going to apologize in advance for my voice. There was a lot of screaming involved in the last week or so, so if I sound a little crazy, sorry. Last we left off, we got like a new gun. I don't know where that one's at. Is it this one? Yeah. We got this new gun that makes platforms so I can go to places that I at one point in time could not reach. So if I dupe the boop shoot there, and then dupe the boop shoot there, and then dupe the boop shoot there, there. Look at me walking. Look at me. Oh, I don't have any more rack. What the what? Charcoal. Oh wait, no, that's charred wood. Surprise! Here we are. It's so nice. But okay. We're gonna stop messing around, Carl. We have not collected any gears in a while, but I think we need to defeat the Machantress. I don't even know if I'm pronouncing that right, but that's the bad guy we gotta beat, guys. Okay, so I've only ever made it to day 2. I don't know how aggressive we need to get, but we gotta like level up some stuff. If I could roll back to home. I think I say that every time I roll back time. There's somebody with a gear. There's somebody with a gear. Oh wait, I think this is the really high one though. Isn't it? Yeah, level 4. Yeah, see? It says homie's too powerful. So I haven't been able to get gears. There's another gear, but I, again, think this dude's too powerful. Oh my gosh, this weapon is so weak. I just did it because it shoots faster. It's goofy. Oh, it's just dirt. Oh, I thought I feel like this one's more powerful. I feel like he's too high though. What level is he? 3? Oh, whoa! Oh, he is! Oh, we gotta get out of here. We gotta get out of here. So right now, I'm like at a very serious standstill. Just because everything that I'm hitting, I can't. Maybe. Let's go! Oh, come on. Ooh, I was like, they were right there. Let's get some health. Dang it. The speed to which this thing shoots is just really slow for me. We gotta get better at it, Potato. No. Okay, so I got one gear. I got one gear. Yay! Let's see if we can do anything. Poison buy... These mostly for... But it says basic research. Oh, gosh. And this thing, like, runs. So I wonder if I can freeze it. Here, can I freeze you? The answer to that's no. I'm out here... it runs so quickly. That is my only problem. And it, like, knows that I'm around. Okay, hold on. We're gonna spend the next 3 minutes trying to scan this stupid thing. Oh, finally! Woo! Woo! I want you to attack me, because then at least this way I know that you will come towards me. I also don't like that I have to start over every time it gets too far. Okay. Yeah, you haven't noticed PotatoAim got some dislikes over here, you know what I mean? Here, scan this. Dormant rift, okay, okay. Oh! Well, that seems like a bit much. Seems like a bit much. I don't think I'm doing anything wrong. Okay. Bob and weave, bob and weave, bob and weave, bob and weave. What are you? Wait, don't I already have you? So, good job running around scanning things. This one seems busted. Ugh! I hate when I mess up like that. I'm too smushed together. Like, we are too smushed together. Oh, you don't do a darn thing. Ah! I don't think I like this. We'll pick that up. Ooh. Okay. Ooh. I think it goes to where you used to be. Oh! This is a crappy place to be! Come on, please. Ooh. I'm begging you with all of my heart. Thank you for killing me. Aren't you done with me, sir? And/or madam? I don't know. Where is Darnaby? I feel like Darnaby is close by. Darnaby? Darnaby! I'm coming, bud! Ground layer. I helped you, Darnaby. I helped you. Darnaby. Buddy, I helped you. I don't have anything to give you except this wood. I tried to build a bridge. I don't want to work in search of my brother. Oh, well, thanks. That was pointless. I hate you, Darnaby. No, you suck. I don't want to do that. I could go over here. I just have to find, again, more stuff to scan. Ain't nothing over here except a bad time. Oh. Sorry. I already scanned this big boy. What, did you just heal yourself? What just happened? Oh. He's gonna come get me, Barbara. Oh! You are big! Oh. Maybe if I hide. Nope. Run. Should not have gone that way. Oh, why is this broken? What happened here? I don't know, but I'm gonna pick it up. Oh, those things happen. I don't want to research burning bullet. Do you think enchantments will make my weapon stronger? Maybe? Possibly? Should I scan you? Howdy. The last part. So you're just a guy. So I'm just a guy who's in love with a girl. Oh shit. I just want to get these apples. Ooh, does this mean I get better armor? I see things popping up over there. You know I see it. Yeah, give me them apples. Nim. There's a bridge. And there's a bridge to nowhere! Sorry, dude. I didn't mean to scare you. I am just personally trying to find stuff. I feel like I already scanned this. If I walk into this, it wakes up. Like so. I walked into it out of my own volition. I have no regrets for walking into it. I will say my aim openly sucks. Like, it is like so bad. Whoa, that one got big. Yeah, stop pooping stuff out. Oh, is that an eye? Oh, that added 3 minutes. Whoa, okay. That like restarted all of it. Okay. I see you. PotatoAim learning something new. Ooh, I did not see my health though. Jello. Where are these random riffs at? I'm like, does it slap me first? I don't know what it does. I've come to the conclusion that if I walk around it and then wait, that I should be able to kind of do it. Don't waste your ammo. No. Ooh, there we go. Alright, get out of here. Oh, we gotta add to it. Give me my trace minutes. Ooh, 5 minutes. I am also almost out of bullets though, so be aware of that. Well, I still have bullets in this one. I just think it's so weak. Oof, so weak. Okay. I can't go that way because it's too scary. It's too scary, and I won't be able to do anything. This guy's almost dead though. Whoop! It says better spells. But again, he's almost dead. So we're gonna try it. This tree is saving a lot of people. Oh! Ooh, okay. This is what I get for being bold. Get out of the way! Yes! Sometimes it pays to be a little reckless. Sometimes it pays to be a really reckless. That wasn't even an actual sentence, but you get what I'm saying. Come on, pick it up. Inventory full? Like gasp. What? A what? What we got up in here? No, I'm keeping the iron ingots. 20. Ice chunks. I'm keeping the ice chunks too. Alright. Metal scrap. I feel like I can get you from anywhere. So we're gonna reload. The only reason why I was able to get that guy was because he was already hurt from I don't know what. It wasn't me. But I appreciate whomever hurt him to let me fight him. I don't know if the cats do anything. They've always ran away from me so quickly. Okay, first off, we need to make some type of storage, right? Like 100%. Let's put our storage. I picked the wrong gun. I also don't think I need 2 of these, like, I've got all these here, and they're all crappy, right? I think we've come to the consensus that these are all crappy, except for kind of this one. That's not that bad. But I think I'm gonna see if I can destroy those.
Alright, guys, hold up a second. Messed up a little bit.
Because I don't know what happens to those. I'm not gonna risk that for the biscuit. The bullets I can easily, I won't say easily, but I can still get them back. Okay, neat.
Thank you.
Darnaby, why are you stuck again? No, I'm not helping you. I'm not entirely sure why you were stuck. Oh, this mother father over here. I think this dude's too powerful. I kind of want to know if I can get the goats. I'm curious. I feel bad killing this. You know what I mean? Oh! Oh, Jiminy biscuits. I feel like if I truly believed in myself, I could get him. No, I think I got this goat. Oh, shoot! Got one of them. Come on. I'm busy doing stuff. Oh, I got 2 of those now. Oh, he's almost dead. Get out of here, goat! That is what is up. Okay, I want to get this. Sir. Okay, nice. Look, I got the goat! I knew I could do it. I just had to believe in myself. I do like how powerful the ice is, though. Like, what the what? Okay, I'm gonna rock the cold. Come here, my pretties. I'll go ahead and get that. And then... Oh, I can still upgrade it. I'm gonna upgrade it. Alright. Oh, shoot. Should I have done that? Can I make them? Why am I always so down on iron ingots, dude? I need a can. That means I have to stay out there in the calamity to get this stuff. Oh, it scares me so. It scares me. But I guess we gotta do it.